Again, this guy just says water massage is a great incentive way to get new patients. That kind of follows the same thing with in-office massage. If you can offer more things to then advertise to people and you offer more services, it's doing more is never going to hurt you, right? The only thing that's going to hurt you is if you do the same thing every day or you do nothing. That'll hurt you. The more you do, the more your clients will come to you, the more different kinds of clients you'll get, right? I mean, like if you're only a foot specialist, then you're only going to get foot clients. But then if you specialize in feet and hands, now you just doubled your skill set. And then if you do feet, hands, neck, and lower back, now you've essentially quadrupled your skill set from the beginning. You know what I mean? So yeah, like a water massage, but it only works if you're ranking inside Google or if you're running ads for water massages. It doesn't work if nobody knows about what you do. I mean, you could have every specialty down and be the best freaking chiropractor in the world. However, if nobody knows who you are, nobody can find you, nobody knows anything about you, you'll never make money. So, spend ads.